Hello mga love, samahan nyo kami ni Tami, mag-travel lang kami no, meron siyang kukunin kasi meron siyang nakalimutan. So ngayon, ako sana yung mag-drive, pero hindi ako pinayagan kasi gusto niya mag-drive kasi hindi daw ako, hindi ko alam kung saan papunta. Punta kami sa siya may gustong mag-drive. So punta kami sa, magkuha kami ng charger niya kasi iniwan niya sa trabaho yung charger niya. Malapit na kami. Malapit, we're close, not really. 30 minutes?
No, next exit.
Okay, so malapit na kami mga loves. And nag-travel lang pa talaga para sa yung charger, no? Because of this charger. I think this is where the bank. The city bank. Yes, I should research. We can go Citibank and you can tell them to cancel it. Get the money. That's where you should get the money. I'm gonna research. There's still a lake. Lives here. Black cow? The cow is black.
Black Cow Coffee Shop.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
You like the coffee?
Yeah, the coffee's good.
That's only coffee?
They got tea too.
Oh, this is a nice place, Saneo. Nice trees here.
Yeah, I like muffins and stuff.
They have muffin?
Yeah, they got some different things.
This is expensive neighborhood.
I'm guessing.
This is nice houses here. So like it's a quiet area. Big houses over further behind everything. This is big house. Hi mga love! So ngayon naghintay lang ako dito kay Tami kasi nagkuha siya ng andito kami sa ibang lugar. Hindi ko man ito gets. First time ko dito ba? Parang mamahalin man itong lugar dito. Pero expensive siya na lugar. Kasi mahalata naman sa lugar talaga na mamahalin kapag yung mga bahay, kapag madaanan mo yung mga bahay sobrang lalaki. And then, quiet. And then may mga maliit na town na may movie theater, ganun. So andito si Tami sa theater kasi nagtrabaho siya dito. Kung meron silang kailangan, and then nakalimutan niya yung charger. So yun, ito lang yung dinrive namin for 1.5 hour para lang kunin yung charger niya mga loves, no? Husband is here. So did you get what you need to get? He gave it to you. You have it?
In your pocket.
In your pocket.
No, you want something from Black Cow Coffee
No,
place?
you get and you
want
get
something from Dunkin' Donut?
what's in Dunkin' Donut?
Like sandwiches
The
and
bagel.
stuff.
The bagel in Dunkin'
Want a
Donut.
bagel?
Oh, you like the coffee over there in the black thing?
It don't matter.
Hala, don't. You're far away. Okay.
Can't go across this because they put that in.
Huh?
You put that in so I can't just turn there.
Okay. So where you going? You go forward?
I'm going forward.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay. So you go get your thing, like the black coffee. You go get it. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, love. You're such a good husband. What else? Somebody
Make sure I
called.
did it right.
What's in there?
A bagel twist.
Okay, that's your bagel twist. I don't want that twist. You eat that first before we go. Yeah. Oh, the bagel, you got it too, love. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a tiny one. Our bagel is better. This. They have different bagel. This is the only bagel they have.
Oh, yeah. Which one? Cinnamon raisin? I know you don't want that. No butter or anything on it.
What is that, bagel?
Yeah.
Twisted bagel?
Yeah.
Why don't you want me to try it?
Try it.
What happened?
I'm not sure there's nothing. Oh, you just made it bad.
So you wanna go back?
No, I'm not sure. I think it's fucked up.
Oh, they're good. Soft. At yun, may tumatawag na naman sa kanya. So kaya, time out muna ang ating, mag-voice over tayo sandali. Kain banat ako dito mga labs kasi hindi po kami ni Tami nag-lunch. So kaya bigel na naman tayo, no? Kaninang umaga kasi egg yung kinakain namin. So okay lang ng ganito. Baby!
I like her in the school zone.
Baby, be careful, Hannah, please. Remember, we have kids. 4 of them.
Not with us.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do?
Go to Hobbs to open up all the food.
He's the smart one.
Too much. Count on him. Don't kid yourself.
He is the one
Don't rely
giving
on
Roxy
him.
the bag. Carry the bag in the living room. Seriously. Burpee. Burpee. Siya pa rin yung nag-drive. Ayaw niya akong pa-drive-in.
Well, Empress, do it up here.
Ha?
Empress up here.
You wanna pick up somebody?
Yeah, I think this is out of their area. Let's expand in their area. I like this big. I like everything. You know, you charge more, you get less. That's what it is.
Say hi mga loves.
Hi guys.
Mga loves.
Lot of loves.
How are you guys doing?
How you doing?
Keep talking, honey. Oy.
Keep talking.
Just took something. Oh my God, you're
clogged up. I sound like crap when I'm
You are
talking.
not.
I am. I
Oh
can
my
hear it. My
goodness.
head's all clogged. How can I
You're
not hear?
always clogged up because of smoking.
Not because of smoking.
Yes, it is.
No. Clogged up because of smoking. Seriously?
Yes, a lot of nicotine already. Stop smoking.
No.
Stop it.
Oh.
Kagahin yung ulo eh.
Oh.
Gahe, kay gulo. Kay kagulo.
No.
You are very kahigulo. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin sa'yo.
Or I'll pretend I'm her. Don't listen to him.
Ani, oy.
That's what she does to the dogs. Oh, feed him. It's a her.
Ay, Han.
I. My wife is gender challenged.
Not just me. It's a horror, mga loves. Oh my goodness. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Tignan ito. Oh, I like weekend wash. Seems like everything is moving. Unlike when other day, it's just like so quiet. Oh, look at that. Oh, only in Amerika. Pagkatagaw ni Hinday. Only in America, this guy right here. Ala, what is this? Ala. Ala, tagawad yung Hinday. Uy, ginoo ko. La. Tornado. Nag-tornado on fire. Hala, ang lakas ng hangin dito mga loves. Lakas ng hangin. Hala, patoy. Hala, tagtaga. Hala, hangin. Hala. Oh, my car is clean outside. Clean outside. Let's go home na after this. Still have to eat it. Ayun ka.